Cough and cold are common issues that can affect anyone, any time of the year. Introducing Herbal Hills Ayurvedic Cough and Cold Program, curated by our team of expert doctors. This program is designed to provide relief and boost immunity against cough and cold. Cold and cough tea tablets simply dissolve in herbal tea for soothing relief. Cough and cold syrup helps to soothe your throat and ease discomfort. Turmeric latte provides instant immunity against cold and cough. Keeping this Ayurvedic program at home ensures you are always prepared for cold and cough. Easy to use and effective, our program is a must-have for every household. Say goodbye to cold and cough with Herbal Hills Natural Solutions. Contact us today to get your Ayurvedic cough and cold program and stay healthy all year round.